take it all back apart.
Okay, I'm recording. Let's see what we get.
Did you manage to get it on that little trailer?
Yeah. Yeah, it fit. Actually, the way he put it on there, he laid it flat right on top, and it fit all around it.
Yeah, I knew that little trailer's handy. It don't take up no room. If I need it, I'll come get it. And it's sitting there. You know, it's not costing nothing. He was going to sell it. That's what he told me. He said, you've been on
The
it,
tubbers.
so he was going to sell it.
Anxiously awaiting the signal to go.
Now he's using it.
Yeah.
See, it's a good thing I did say it, that I'd take it back.
Okay, they're off. Oh, yeah. Oh, we have a swimmer pulling the tub.
I see a bathtub. I knew there were bathtubs. I knew they would roll there.
5 minutes, guys. They're trying to go going north. Come on, Joe.
Where is he? Where is he? Come on.
They're trying not to
paddle.
Trying not to run that other boat over.
The wind's getting
Guys, here it is. Race.
Yeah.
It's like a free-for-all.
like they all struck.
Yeah, that's a
And bringing up the rear. Guys, I'm taking video here. Charlene.
Get away.
He can't get out of there because that other boat's floating.
Down right here so people will quit walking in front of me.
Now the horse drop is going to beat him.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, the tub is going. Look at this. The galvanized tub is in the lead. Well, kind of, sort of. They're way outside the course, it looks like. I think they drifted a little bit too far to the right. I think the guys with the wheels and the oars look like they're like in the lead. They're going to make it there before anybody else.
Oh, look at Joe's pulling out there.
Come on, Joe.
Come on, Joe.
A little more muscle.
Come on, Joe.
The guy, he's got helmet's not rowing.
Are you kidding? You should see this. They should have taken a few practice runs before this.
He can get his rowing down.
All right.
Cheats in front.
There's Tim.
What happened? These guys run out of steam or
Come on,
something?
Joe,
Come
put
on.
some muscle in it.
Okay, so the first one around. Sorry. Okay, where's the float? Here's the float. First one around the float is...
Take it out. Spades in the water.
He's pulling his tub.
Come on.
That's Tim.
Bringing up a respectable second. Yep, that's it, Joe. You're not mistaken. No moving. Look, no moving the float. Quit playing with the float. Oh, here comes the tub. Where's the swimmer? The swimmer's bringing up the rear there.
Come on, you guys. Get out of there.
Okay, those guys are going the wrong way around this thing. Apparently they weren't paying attention when he was showing them the course. It's left to right, not right to left, not left to right. Come on, guys.
Come on, you guys.
Go, Joe! Go, Joe!
Go.
It's supposed to be look, you're not supposed to be rolling, not cruising. Oh, the back end's sinking. Look, the back end. I bet the barrels in the back were taking on water there.
Lean forward.
Let me guess who's gonna win.
Lean forward.
You know what? This gives a whole new meaning to the term dragging ass. Where's the winners? Oh, look, look!
Now, doesn't this boat see what's going on?
attention to where they're going and what's happening around them, they're going to back right in. Look, they're going to back right in.
God.
They cruised right into this course. This is the pay more attention to where you're going, buddy. Okay, this is an example of why they need to actually have a test for how to be a safe boater. Because this idiot couldn't see all these bathtubs in front of him on the course. Okay. Okay. Lucky for that swimmer that jet ski thing's out there. Come on, guys. Here we go. Bringing it back in. I just love the guy with the hat here. Okay, well, Joe takes a respectable second.
Yeah, but she thought they were coming down here.
And where's our swimmer?
This guy, he's a little off course here.
Yeah, I'm thinking the swimmer might actually make it in before the guy. The other guy, you know, this guy in the hat. Because he's a little out of the... Little celebration antics by the winners.
Joe dove in.
Hey, he worked up. It was hot.
Well, I remember when DS, he took us in those spider things when we
Oh, here comes another boat. Well, at least he isn't trying to run over anybody. Is our swimmer still out there swimming? Oh, he's still out there. I'm not sure about the swimming. So, that guy might actually make it in before the swimming guy. Hey, the race isn't over yet. These guys have to make it back, right? Look, the victory lap. This is the victory lap, right?
Okay, I guess that must be a winning contraption.
I'm way off here, okay. I just want to know. Guy with the hat, look where he went. He's in a slip over there. He didn't even make it back to where he started from, but does that count as a finish?
Closer to the
And the guy swimming?
machine, Gabriel.
He's actually like gonna make it back to the point where he started. So, does he win? Does he take
I don't know how that
on a
works in the rules.
technicality or
Yeah, I
something?
would
And the
think
other
so.
guy, you know,
They
is
sent
last.
to and from.
He didn't. Look, he didn't finish from where he was supposed to. All right, somebody gonna help this guy out of the water now? That's what I want to know. That was exhausting. Come on, how does he get out?
They're clapping.
Yay! Hey, that was the most muscle in the group. Okay, this dock just didn't bounce with all these people walking. Definitely, somebody help this guy out of the water.
All the way
Yeah.
swimming. I was watching Beer Corner with Ron and Mark. And I came over here.
Oh,